So guys, it's 2:20 p.m. I'm feeling very nice today. So let's get my sketchbook and start designing a new crown. Let's go! So now it's time to solder some speakers. Let's go. So guys, parts for the case, we need those three. They are 40 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wide. We need those two and two pieces of acrylic. They are like this, 40 centimeter long. So let's go painting the case before it get darker outside. So guys, to tell the truth, I'm feeling just a little bit hungry, so let's eat some. Delicious. Let's keep working. Now it's time to put some LEDs. So guys, it's 2:20. It's 2:20. I'm going to sleep because I'm very tired. See you tomorrow. So guys, it's already tomorrow, so let's go work. Oh, I forgot to wear socks. Better now.
I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my Robbie. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robbie. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that as one.
So guys, when I wake up in the morning, I saw those stupid stains. So let's run it again and painting. So let's go. guys, this is for today. See you in the next video. Enjoy the reveal.